isolate. Anxiety. Anxiety. All right. Okay. And this one. Um, okay, sorry, struggle. Struggle. Okay, struggle. Recover. 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 Okay. It's short, but a bit higher. Dis, disorder. Disorder. And stigma. It's not stigma, it's stigma. Maybe stigma is in Bahasa Malaysia, but stigma. Okay, it's in English. Stigma. This one. Schizo. Okay, schizo. It's not schizo. It's not schizo. It's schizo. Schizo. Zo. Schizo. Okay. So this one. Aspire. It's not aspire. It's not aspiration. It's aspiration. Aspire. Okay. And then this one is not therapy. It's not okay, it's not therapy. It's therapy. Can you see my tongue? It's th. Like in for Muslim, it's tha. Okay, abata, not sa. So this one is not the. Okay, how do you pronounce this? How do you normally pronounce this? This one, therapy. How do you normally pronounce this?
Thera- Therapy.
Therapy. Right. Okay. Thank you, Irfan. Okay. Anyone else would like to try? How do you normally? How do you pronounce this? Is it therapy? How do you normally pronounce this? Come on, try. It's okay. At least you know how to pronounce it correctly. How do you normally pronounce this? Is it therapy, therapy, or therapy? How do you pronounce this? I've heard a lot of people pronounce this, but yeah, asalkan you faham, like that. The concept is that, okay? But the correct pronunciation is therapy, okay? Therapy. For example, like conclusion. Right, we always say conclusion. It's not conclusion, it's conclusion. It's not conclusion. It's conclusion. Okay? All right? At least you learned something today. Are you guys still okay? Or are you guys sleeping already? Okay? Okay, all right. Okay, that's all. I'm going to upload this one in the Google Classroom. Okay. So wait, I'm going to check your name, but I don't know what happened to Unimap system. Cannot. So I'll share later in the Telegram group. Okay. To be honest, do you prefer Telegram? Sorry, do you prefer Telegram or WhatsApp group? Which one do you prefer? Telegram or WhatsApp group?
Both also.
Both are okay. Both are okay. All right. It's just that, in my Telegram, Telegram, I have so many groups in the Telegram, so yeah, so maybe if you have anything to ask, you can just ask me in the Telegram. Okay, so we have this, this group, so you can just ask me here. All right. When I answer you, so that your friends can also get the information. Okay. All right. Okay. So do you have anything else to ask? It's supposed to be anything else? Anything else? Madam Christina asked how to be glowing. Okay, that is actually not related to this subject. Okay, How to be glowing like me? Maybe I use a lot of natural lighting. You know, in front of me is actually windows. Or you can actually use proper. I don't really use foundation. I use tinted moisturizer. Sorry, Irfan. It's girl thing. Okay, so I don't really use a foundation that is matte. I use tinted moisturizer that has the sunscreen and all. Yeah, even though you stay at home, you still need to use sunscreen. Okay, girls. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah, you see, I also entertain this kind of questions. That's why I said you can ask me anything, but don't ask me for money. Okay. All right. Okay. So anything else before we end the class? We had the class 1 hour today. So do you have anything else to ask before we end the class? Anything? No, no, okay, all right. If there is no question, I would like to say thank you so much for attending my class, and I really appreciate you attending my class because I know that yeah, to get participation from